to access the clipboard on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any app where you can type. Then, you will find your keyboard pop up. In your keyboard, you'll find the clipboard icon in the middle. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find all the copied items in here. And if it's turned off, you can simply turn on by clicking on the button at the top right in the keyboard. Make sure it's turned on, and if it's turned on, the dot will be on the right side. After you do that, you can access your clipboard in this way. And this is how to access the clipboard on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.